Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen with me, Debbie. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday, and I actually didn't make Sunday dinner. So I'm making up to the family today. So I have here some, oh my God, nice thick cut pork chop. I have this one piece from another packet that was in the fridge. I figured I'd use it up. Then I have 5 of these nice thick pieces. I'm just gonna season them up real good and add a little jerk marinade and grill them in the oven. On indoor grill right here. Then I'm gonna finish them off in the oven with this nice little sweet and spicy marinade sauce. Jade doesn't like that on hers, so I will separate hers. So this is mild. I want to finish this up, and then this is spicy. Still got a little bit of mild left in here. Cap of this canola oil on here. I already have my grill heating. It's Monday evening and I'm not feeling the I'm gonna let this sit and marinate for a few hours bit. No. So I'm just gonna flavor it up real good. This is paprika. I just haven't been feeling myself, so I'm just taking a break and take time for myself. Some black pepper. Getting some garlic powder, some allspice, of course. Garlic powder. Allspice. Oh, where's the salt? I will forget the salt here. And the salt. I already have, with Jade's help, I already put the cornbread in the oven. And I did start cooking the smoked turkey last night for the collard greens. So, collard greens is in. I'm just in one of those, I just want to go, I don't know, relaxed kind of mood. But I have to feed them, right, baby girl? I thought she was just right here. I guess I'm by myself. She's not here. Okay, so let me... The oven is telling me got to 400. Okay. So this is the pork chops. Excuse me, I don't know what that was. I like to hold my things. Okay. All right, I can smell the grill. Yeah, the grill is heated up. I can smell it. We get a little bit more oil on the grill. Wet pans are on there. I need to find my brush, but I don't know where that is right now. I'm confused. This is. Okay guys, I'm gonna get these pork chops onto this grill. Where's my tongs? I just had, oh. There we go. I'm gonna come back soon guys when it's time to make this sauce that I'm gonna put on top of this. I'll be back soon, okay? So guys, the first set of pork chops pretty much done. There we go. I'm going to leave this one on a little longer. Okay, now I'm going to put the last 2 on here. And then I'm going to use this bowl to make some sauce to go over the pork chop. So just a second. I'm going to grab the brown sugar. This is 1/3 cup brown sugar. And to that, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of low sodium soy sauce. Just a small pinch of apple cider vinegar. Maybe a 1/4 teaspoon. Mix this up. I need some water too. Half a cup of water. When it comes out the oven, I want it to be thick, so therefore I'm adding a tablespoon cornstarch. Okay, so this is what's gonna go over the pork chops. I'll see you in just a bit. Okay guys, so I'm just about done with my pork chops on the grill now. I have one piece. I told you Jay doesn't want sauce on hers. I'm just gonna wrap that one piece in foil paper. And then here's the sauce I made. Oh, and while we were on pause, I added about 1/3 cup of ketchup in the sauce. So this is what the sauce looks like. And I'm just going to pour it over the pork chops. The oven is already on 400. I'm going to wrap it with foil paper. And I'm going to put this in the oven for about an hour. I'm going to come back because I'm going to make a seasoned coconut white rice, because it's like I said, this was supposed to be their Sunday dinner, and if it was Sunday I would make red peas and rice. So I don't want to just give them some plain white rice. I told them I was going to make it up, and I'm going to make it up. So let me get this in the oven. Also, she left me to go do homework, so I'm alone now. It's in the oven. Turn this off so I can move this. And I will see you back soon. So guys, while we're waiting on the pork chops to cook, let's cook our seasoned coconut white rice. So I'm heating this pot here. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of canola oil. I should have used my grapeseed oil. I'm just a bit off. So you can use olive oil, coconut oil, whatever oil you have. I just added a 1/2 stick of butter to that. this to melt up real good. My collard greens just about finished. Yeah, smells so good. Okay. To the butter and oil there, I am going to add some seasonings. First, I'm gonna saute a small onion that I diced and about 2 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna pause you for a second, just a second. I paused you because I was checking on my cornbread, and my cornbread is finished. Oh my god. Jade got so excited when I told her I was making cornbread, so take a look at my cornbread, it's done. My collard greens is done. Onions and garlic is sauteing up real good here. To this I have about a half a cup of red and yellow bell peppers. I was gonna do some green too, but I didn't want to overdo it, so I just used the red and the yellow. If you want to add more and add some green, you can go ahead. That would be perfectly fine. Open my coconut milk. Of coconut milk, and I'll put the rest in the freezer. Oh, this is smelling so divine. Usually I will also add a pinch of ginger to this, but oh my god, Jade complained about ginger. Said the only time she wants ginger is when she said, "Mommy, I'm feeling sick. Can you please make me some ginger tea?" So she's been asking me to lay off the ginger. I'm like, don't you know by cooking with the ginger it also help you from getting sick? I said, how you think all these years you have not had the flu and haven't had the flu shot? Because I try to give you ginger as much as I can. Okay, so to this, I'm going to add a cup of coconut milk. Also a cup of water. I will see you back when this gets to a boil so we can season it up. I already have 3 cups of rice wash. So I'm going to bring it to a boil. Oh, I also have No, I'll put it in after we come back. I'll see you back shortly. Okay, I'm back. We are boiling. Let me make sure you can see that. We are boiling, boiling, boiling. Okay, to that, I have some thyme. Not so dry and not so fresh. In between, you can use either one. I have 2 green onion that I cleaned up and chopped in 2. I have a half a cup of sweet corn. And then for our seasoning, I have a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon, I have a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of Sazon all-purpose seasoning. I have a half a teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of paprika. Not much. And you know, for those of you afraid to cooking rice that you're gonna get it soggy or whatever, you know, it's okay to add liquid as you go along rather than to put too much liquid and then it's soggy. So here I have 3 cups of rice that I've already washed. I'm going to add to this. Okay, this is the only time you're going to stir your rice to get all the ingredients incorporated really well. And I did turn it up on high to get it to a boil and to saute the vegetables. And I'm going to cover it and cook my rice slowly for about 20 to 25 minutes. I'm going to put it down on medium. And I will see you guys back then. Okay guys, we're back. The rice is finished. Let me tell you, halfway in between the cooking, I did see that it looked like it needed some more liquid, so I added a half a cup more water, just a half a cup, and then I put the foil paper on it, the foil paper over it, and cook it the rest of the way. And this is our seasoned coconut rice. I got to say, I think I outdid myself in this one. Yes, the color alone is just so beautiful and inviting. You know, they say we eat with our eyes. The color is so inviting. Oh, perfect. It's perfect. So do you have it? And I'm gonna get my pork chops. Let me put it up here so you can see. Yep, that's the pork chops. Oh man, I can't wait to dig in this, but it's early. It is early, y'all. I didn't think I was going to finish this early, but I did it, yeah. So you know what I'm going to do? Back to my relaxation. I was going to do some more work on my blog. I did so much last night. I'm redoing my website. Changed the theme, the color, adding more content. I'm so proud of it. Can't wait to share it with you guys. So I don't know, maybe I'll go do some more work on it. Maybe I'll just lay down and watch a Hallmark Christmas movie. But this young lady is learning to take it easy and not do too much. Learn to take time for herself. So guys, that's it. My Sunday dinner on Monday, I call this one, is finished. Let me get everything over here on the stove so I can show it all. I already got in the cornbread. Yes, I did. Alright, so let me grab this so I can show you guys. Just a second. Here we go. This is the color greens. Yep, that's the greens. And again, here is the pork chops. Yes. And there is my cornbread. Yes. And then my seasoned coconut rice. And so that is Sunday dinner, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I do appreciate the love and the support as I grow this channel. I have so much more to come because I want to do more than just cooking on this channel. There is too much going on in the world that we need to talk about and come together and unite over love. And I want to use this channel for good so that our homes are much better. Our children need us to show them how to live in this crazy world. And I'm going to use my voice. And guys, again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I love you. I appreciate the support. God bless. From my kitchen to yours and from my family to yours, God bless. Have a wonderful day. So guys, when you don't cook on Sunday, this is what you do on Monday, okay? I have collard greens here. I have pork chops here. I have coconut seasoned rice here. And I have cornbread here. This is what they're having today on Monday because I didn't cook yesterday. Yeah.